and my score improved a lot from 72 to I got 85. I'm really grateful to be part of Language Academy. Thank you so much for all your help, and I'm really thankful to all the tutors in Language Academy. They have helped me a lot in this journey.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very excited and proud to have Renuka with me today, one of our Parameta campus students. 90 in speaking, 80 reading, 81 listening, 80 reading, 82 overall. She was aiming for 80, and that is what she has scored as well. Congratulations, Renuka, very well done.
Thank you so much, sir. It's all because of your wonderful team and wonderful lab environment, wonderful portal. Thank you so much to Language Academy.
That's a pleasure, Renuka. One thing, Renuka, I remember whenever you used to sit in the lab, you were finding the reading module, reading section in particular, a bit difficult. That is the case with majority of the students. What do you think you did personally to overcome the reading module, the fear, the phobia that yes, doesn't matter how many times I'm attempting or practicing, I'm not getting the scores in reading. How did you overcome that?
Yeah, reading section was very hard for me. Previously before joining Language Academy, I used to think that reading is very hard, I can't do it. But after joining my Language Academy, I got feedback from the tutors. When I was sitting in lab session, they used to ask me if you have any problem, and they used to, from each tutors, I used to learn something new, the strategies to solve the reading session. I was not doing it correctly. I knew that I have to read the full sentence, but I was ignoring that. But they demonstrated how it works by the demonstration. And especially, I really appreciate the special reading class in Language Academy. I used to take a special reading class twice a week, and sometimes 3-4 times I used to take. I was so lured by the effectivity of that class, and it was cool. I could learn a lot of strategies from the special reading class. I hear that people say that there's no any strategy for reading, but from the class I could know that there are a lot of strategies, and I used to know, I used to implement in my practice. And my score improved a lot from 72 to I got 85 in previous attempt. And this, I got 80.
That's right. See, what I think, what is the reason behind your success is that, sometimes you might not feel like attending the reading sessions. That is the case with majority of the students. But yes, you still push yourself out of your comfort zone, and you made sure that you attend all the reading sessions. That is very important. And second thing, which I remember, Renuka had 3 to 4 pages of strategies which were discussed in the reading class, right? So it's very important to write down, you take notes of what is being told and taught in the class. That is something which will help you whenever you're practicing by yourself. Another thing, she has spent a number of hours in the lab. If you just practice 1 or 2 days for 3 to 4 hours and feel like you will get a higher score in the reading module, that is not going to happen. You have to put in consistent effort, try to understand the reasoning, how the blanks are correct, why the correct answer is the correct answer, and make sure you attend the reading special classes. You will be 120% fine. Renuka, you have taken a number of mock tests as well, right? How are mock tests? Because I see a lot of students not taking mock tests or neglecting the mock tests.
Mock test is very important. I have taken a lot of mock tests. You have seen me. I have attempted more than, I think, 100 because including sectional and full mock test, because what I feel like we will be knowing where we are standing and what are our mistakes, and tutors are always there every day to correct our mistakes. And from mock test we will be learning more about our mistakes, and we will correct it. And moreover, like, you will be very much familiar to the real exam.
That's right.
So much comfortable after giving some multiple mock tests. I was confident, especially in speaking, in reading. The time management is very important. So from mock tests, I learned the time management. That's so.
That's 100% correct. Because mock test is something which will give you a real picture of what you do under time pressure, under exam environment, and the nervousness you have when you go and take the exam. When you're practicing by yourself, you're very easy, you're calm, you're practicing in a relaxed environment. But when you take the mock test, you have the time pressure, you have the fear factor, and you're nervous as well. That is where you come to know what mistakes you make, and you rectify those mistakes here in the mock test so that you don't repeat the same mistakes in the test and get your desired score in the very first go. Renuka, any final piece of advice for students out there planning to go for the test or missing by a few points? Any advice, any tips for them, please?
What I would like to say that hard work is the key factor for the success. But with hard work, consistency is very important. You should be consistent. You should not take gaps, and you should be very positive that I can do. And you should be positive toward the institution you joined. I was very positive toward Language Academy because I am with the experts, and I will be guided by the experts. And you are the guys who have created a lot of success stories, so I will be taken care of. I will be taken care by them. So I was like I was in safe. I was feeling that I'm in a safe zone. So so I was more like positive, and patience is also very important because when it comes to each band age, patience is very important. It's not like it happens in overnight or 2 weeks. I hear people saying that I got scoring in 2 weeks. I don't know whether it's true or not, but for me it took time because I was not having practice of speaking in English in before. I had gap, and I didn't used to watch English movies, so for me it was very hard to be in this zone. I did a lot of hard work, and I had my patience on hold. So holding patience was the main key.
See, I must say that you have done a great job. Taking English as a second language, getting a band 8 and a perfect 19 speaking, you have done a marvelous job. What I think is the reason behind your success, as you mentioned, hard work with patience. You have to trust the process. What we are doing nowadays, majority of the students, they just want the results. They don't want to go through the process. As you mentioned, it is not going to happen overnight. You have to practice, you have to take the mock test, you have to work on your mistakes, you have to improve the weakness, turn that into your strength, get the scores in the mock test, and then only go for the test. Because if you do not go through the process, results can be difficult. Be patient, work hard, take feedback, and trust your experts, and you will get your desired scores as well. Congratulations, Renuka, and all the very best for your 𝗏𝗏 now.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful to be part of Language Academy. Thank you so much for all your help. And I'm really thankful to all the tutors in Language Academy. They have helped me a lot in this journey and made this possible. Thank you.
Thank you. Really appreciate it, Renuka. All the very best. Guys, remember this thing. If Renuka has done it, if I have done it, if thousands of students are doing it every day, you can do it as well. But you need to work hard, be patient, follow the process, trust the process, and make sure whatever efforts you're putting, they are in the right direction. That is the only way of getting the success, being successful in the PT test. If you work hard, if you stay patient, take a number of mock tests, and get the feedback, you can easily score a band 8 as well. Varun from Language Academy. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.